Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to circle geometry, and in circle theorems we have this question here which says in the diagram O is the center. As we all see, this O here is the center of the circle, and O is the center of the circle. Angle UOT, angle UOT is 70, and R angle RST, which is this angle here, is 100. Calculate angle RUO, which is, we should find this angle here, this particular angle. That is a point of interest. But if you can look at this diagram critically, you discover that we have a particular shape here that looks like this. So guys, look, concentrate here. You will see what I'm explaining. You will see that this side, this mark is showing that the two sides are equal. And which kind of angle is this? This is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, all the base angles are the same, which means if here is x, here should be x, but the third angle is different. So if you can look at this shape here, that will tell you that angle OU, that is angle OUT and UOT plus UOT, that is UOT, this one here, plus OTU, or will give us 180. That is, when you sum all the three angles in this isosceles triangle, is going to give us 180. So now we know that angle UOT is 70, and as I explained before, the base angle of an isosceles triangle, let me draw it again. The base angle here, if here is x, which means here too will be x. This is the diagram here, this small angle here. So which means the sum of 70 plus x is 180, which means x plus x become 2x. That is 70 plus 2x is equal to 180. So here we are going to collect like things. 2x now will be equal to 180 minus 70, because we take this 70 while crossing this inequality sign, the sign changed to minus sign. That is why we're having minus 70. It was plus a number written without a sign is positive, so it was a positive sign here, so that is why it changed to what? Minus 70. So 180 minus 70, that is 2x, is equal to 180. 180 minus 70 will give us 110. We divide both sides by 2, x will give us 55 degrees. So what I explained here, that is exactly what we are going to do here, because we know that angle UOT is what? Is this one here, and angle UOT is what? UOT is this one, 70, and angle OTU is this one here. So since okay, let's say since OUT is equal to OTU, which means we can decide to say that 2 times, because this is equal to this, which means that will be what? 2 of OUT. Since this is equal to this, where you see OUT, you put, where you see OUT, you put this. So with that, we know that this is 70, so that will be 2 of OUT plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. and here too we are going to put the like terms. We separate numbers one side and alphabet, so that will give us 2OUT is equal to 180 minus 70. Because of what? 70 is having plus sign, while going to this the right hand side the sign changes to what? Minus. So from here we have 2OUT, that will give us this 110. We divide both side by 2, 2 cancel 2, OUT will give us 55 degrees. So which means here become 55 degrees and here become 55 degrees, because the base of an isosceles triangle, the base angles are always the same. So here is 55, here is 55, as I explained from here. So but that is not what the question say we should find. So let's find what the question is requesting for. So now, but the question is requesting that we should find RUO, which is this small angle here. But before we should be able to find this small angle, let's know the total angle, which is this and this one, this small one inside here. So for us to find the total angle here, for us to find this angle RUT, that is the total angle here. So we know that RUT will be equal to, because we are now going to apply the theorems of cyclic quadrilateral. That is cyclic quadrilateral means this shape inside here is giving us 4 angles. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equilateral. So in equilateral, the opposite angles of equilateral is always, when you sum the two angles, will always give you 180. Will always give you 180 degrees. So which means when we sum this angle is opposite with this one here is opposite with this. So which means the two opposite angles, when you sum them together, is going to give you what? So which means when we sum RUT, which is this total angle here, plus RST, everything will be 180 degrees. So with that, we know that our RST is what? Our RST is 100 degrees. So RUT is plus 100 for this is equal to 180 degrees. So we collect like terms. RUT is equal to 180 minus 100. You know why the sign changes, right? So when you're taking it to the right hand side, the sign changes to minus sign. So RUT is equal to 80, because 180 minus 100 is 80 degrees. So now we know that the total angle here, the total of this is 80 degrees, which means the small side here is 55. So what is now this RUO? So for that, we know that RU, or let's continue from this side. We now know that RUT is equal to the summation of RUO, which is RUO, plus this one here, which is UOT, plus for us to get this whole thing here, we're going to sum RUT. We're going to sum RUO, which is this small angle here, and we'll still sum OUT, which is this one here. So OUT. So that is, this angle here is equal to the summation of this. But we know we know OUT, so RUT is equal to, and RUT2 we know it to be what, 80. So where we see this RUT, we put 80 degrees, which is equal to RUO plus OUT. OUT is 55, so 55 degrees. So for us to find this, we are going to collect the like terms. So 180 minus 55, you know why it is minus? Because it's coming back to the left hand side, so that sign changes to what, minus. So RUO, and this is the same thing as RUO, sorry, 85 minus this 80 minus 55 will give us 25 degrees, equal to UO RUO. Therefore, since this is equal to this is also equal to this, so RUO is equal to 25 degrees. So this angle, this small one here, is what, is 25 degrees. So guys, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel as we grow together. Thank you.